¿Estás preparado, Juanjo? Vale, sí, Juanjo, ¿estás listo? Vale. A por el primero, 3, 2, 1.
Shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the one you can be.
I gotta do songs like this that go against my good judgment. Fuck y'all. Hell yeah. In a real way. You know why? Check it out. I done did everything in my motherfucking power to help you little bitch ass niggas. And y'all wanna talk about me? I'm just handling my business, doing what I gotta to stay in this. But the motherfucking pressure is tremendous all over the world. Bitches and ladies wanna fuck us, and niggas be sex tripping cause they suckers. On the outside, it's plain to see that rich and famous is the thing to be. With one time tripping when they see a nice bars, and groupie niggas kissing ass just because we stars. Parties in the hotels, parties on the yacht, parties in the back of my limousine hitting cock. And I don't give a fuck that your singles out selling mine. Just give me a bit of Remy Martin and I'm fine. But it seems like my crowd's getting small, cause everybody's jealous of a baller. So when I come up to go back and get them niggas that I used to ride with, they don't know who to side with. And these mark ass niggas in the game, talking that whole shit just to come up off my name. When I catch your asses in person, ain't no hesitation, just prepare for the mother